Yo, what do you do? This boy Minky, I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to edit long videos on Facebook Messenger story. The first thing, you need to go to Messenger apps. From Messenger apps, go to people in the bottom and go to stories. From the stories, go to edit stories and choose the video you want to edit. I can see he said on the bottom video is too long. If you need to edit the long video in a story, go again to edit story, go to camera in the top left and go to, you see they open the camera in the left bottom, hit and open the gallery from the app camera and edit the video you want. Click the video. You see,
Hi guys,
you
this
can
boy
edit
Mickey,
the
I'm
long
back for another
video in the Messenger
Today I'll
app.
show you how to find
And this
friend on
video for
Facebook
today,
by
I
phone
hope
number.
that's helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe to my
The first thing you need to go to menu,
stuff, and see you next time,
right in the
guys.
bottom.
Bye-bye.